monthly forecast are based on your moon sign as well as your Lagna sign as well as your ascendant. You can take this whole monthly forecast report according to your moon sign, as well as if you don't know you from your birth chart, your ascendant, your Lagna sign, you can take the prediction, the whole prediction according to your ascendant, according to your Lagna, or according to your moon sign. Gemini monthly brief forecast, month of May 2021. In this coming month of May 2021, Gemini, there will be lots of traveling, running around. Whatever you have to achieve, you have to leave your comfort zone to acquire what you want to achieve. That's the only way you can achieve it. If you keep on sticking with your comfort zone, you forget it. Nothing will be there for you. Nothing will wait for you. You have to leave your comfort zone and acquire what you've been seeking for, what you want to achieve. There might be a change of place. No doubt you go through lots of struggle, but your achievements will be there. Struggle will convert into sweet success. Your income resources will be there. Your financial backing will be there. Your financial opportunities will be there, but with the hard work. Your mind can be restless sometimes, all over the place. Sometimes you're very upset and disappointed and annoyed. Sometimes you can be all over the place. Sometimes you can be very much grumpy and sad. But after 30th of May, your expenditure can be sky high, beyond your imagination. But be prepared for the best. If you're taking any kind of loan, or investing any kind of money, or speculating anywhere, you have to be 1000% careful, not 100%, 1000% careful. Refrain from investing money in any kind of a gambling. You can be infatuated with anybody, but don't cross the decency. Don't cross the line of decency. You can spend plenty of money to achieve pleasure, but go for the real thing. You might involve in a lot of disputes linked with property, inheritance. But if you are in a court, you have to be extra careful. You need to perform a lot of good deeds. Not ill deeds, good deeds. And refrain from any kind of arrogance. Refrain from foul company. Don't listen to bad advice. Please, don't mingle with those people who are completely losers. Don't. And just stop investing ego and aggression in everything you do. Don't make everything your prestige issue. No. Be on the ground. Don't be cut off from the people. Be connected. Talk and listen to them. If you've got to sort out your spending. If you are not, then you can build a huge debt. And that debt you won't be able to pay. And don't invest any money in any kind of gambling, please. Don't adopt any kind of a wrong path. Look after your health regarding bladders, regarding your feet, regarding your legs. If there's any swelling or inflammation in the body, you have to be very careful. Refrain from any unnecessary conflict with your family members. You've got to be part of a solution, not a part of a problem. You might have to spend a lot of money on a land or property. But due to Ketu's position in 6th house, beware of enemies. Beware of any health problems. Beware of bad debts, bad confusion. Please. And Mercury Rahu in 12th house. Beware of foul acts. Beware of any kind of gambling, risky investment. Beware of huge financial losses. Beware of financial conflict. Beware of cheating, deception, fraud. Beware of bad debts. Beware of lack of sleep, restlessness, and any unnecessary arguments, conflict in the regarding relationship. Saturn position in 8th house. You must beware of health complication and look after your relationship. There are any problem regarding finances, you have to address it very properly. Beware of fine, penalty, punishment. You might need the complete monthly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the week, complete analysis of the month, complete analysis of the whole month, which will define you what in the whole month, the major 4 planets, Sun, the fact for the whole month, how the decision makers support towards you or not. How, will you be appreciated for your knowledge, ability, skill set? Yeah. Will you be successful if you're going for an interview, presentation, or anything like that? What sort of chances are there? How the authority going to deal with you in the whole month? Mars effect for the whole month means your courage, your discipline, your confidence. Mercury's behavior toward you for the whole month, your business acumen, your flow of information, your flow of income, your flow of money, your flow of communication. Venus impact for the whole month, your lifestyle, your comfort, your love life. Monthly horoscope report will give you the task which can dig you out from any kind of a crisis situation, help you. Precaution, what you shouldn't do in the whole month. The chanting, the power chanting, which can spiritually boost you up. 24 minutes a day, 48 minutes a day, 72 minutes a day, 96 minutes a day, 120 minutes. More you do, more you spiritually activate yourself. And which can, if you spiritually become a power generator, you can overcome anything. But you have to do quite a lot. It's up to you. For monthly horoscope report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, and achieve your best.